Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new account on HBO Max in just a few minutes. So this method works on both the mobile phones and the computers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So to begin with, first of all, you need to open either your HBO Max application on your phone, or you can come here on the official website of hbomax.com. Over here, simply click on the option of sign up now on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed here on the account creation page where you just have to enter an email address, then create a strong password for your account. Make sure that your password is easy to remember but hard to guess. After that, when you press continue, you just have to choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. Once you select your plan, you just have to enter your payment details and confirm the payment. After the successful payment, HBO Max account will be created instantly. You will be able to log in here by clicking on the sign in option on the top right hand corner of the screen and by providing the same email address and password. So this way you will be able to create a new HBO Max account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.